outside after almost 9 o'clock at night. Run them around, get them tired. Scale. Oh, what did you find? Oh, imagine that. Dog hair. And that's Storm. It's Breezy. And Puppy's coming up the stairs. It's Windy. Scale again. Underneath. Sky. And Windy. Burning. Must be Chew on Windy Day here. Okay. That's good. You two do it. These two get on it. Let's see who might be Bolt and Sky.
That's Bolt.
Yep. My battery's dying. Why is it dying? I didn't take any pictures today.
Gosh.
3.
Don't get it.
Ah, somebody found the way to get back there. Uh-oh, it's a long ways down. Let's see. Yes, there's a screen here so they can't get through. But they can explore underneath everything. The other dogs are here.
You're not Bolt.
And Mark.
Which one has no collar, Bolt?
No, that's Dusty.
So Dusty with no collar. Dusty with a nice face.
Oh, who's over here? Who's over here?
Get it.
Is that Storm? Can't tell colors in the dark.
Hey.
Yep, going down the stairs backwards here. Hey, Simon! There's the Simon boy. Walking away. Alright, here's 3 dogs.